Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create vector graphics in Figma. This is a fundamental skill that allows you to design custom shapes, icons, and illustrations with complete precision and scalability. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open your Figma design file in the web browser. Once you're in your workspace, you'll need to locate the pen tool icon in the bottom toolbar. It looks like a fountain pen nib and is your primary tool for creating vector paths. You can either click on this icon directly or simply press P on your keyboard as a shortcut. This activates the pen tool and prepares you to start drawing. Now, click once anywhere on the canvas to place your first anchor point. This anchor point acts as the starting position for your vector path. Think of it as the foundation of the shape you're about to create. Every vector graphic begins with this simple click. Next, click a different location on the canvas to create a straight line. You'll see a line connecting your first anchor point to this new point. This is how you build the basic structure of your vector shape, one segment at a time. To add more complexity to your design, click and drag your mouse at a new location. This action creates a curved line instead of a straight one. When you drag, you'll notice bezier handles appearing. These handles control the arc and direction of the curve, giving you precise control over how smooth or sharp the bend appears. This is what makes vector graphics so powerful for creating organic shapes. Once you've created the lines and curves you want, it's time to complete the shape. Move your cursor back to the very first anchor point you created at the beginning. You'll notice the cursor changes slightly to indicate you can close the path. Click the first point to close the path. This action connects your last point back to the starting point, turning all those individual lines into a solid, closed shape. This is essential for creating filled graphics that can be styled and manipulated as complete objects. Now, click the X from the pen menu at the bottom toolbar. This deselects the pen tool and allows you to interact with your newly created graphic in other ways. Finally, select your new graphic and use the stroke sections in the right-hand design panel to change its appearance. Here, you can adjust stroke width, color, and style. You can also add fills, adjust opacity, and apply various effects to transform your basic vector path into a polished graphic element that fits perfectly into your design. And that's how you create vector graphics in Figma from scratch. You now have the foundation to design custom shapes and illustrations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.